Hey, what's up guys? This is Jeremy with Jeremy on Tech. Today's review is actually going to be of the LG 25UM58P, which is actually a 25-inch ultra-wide monitor. And basically I'm going to do an unboxing of that and then just kind of a quick general review of it, kind of show you guys just some of the features of the monitor, how to get to your menu and stuff like that. And so let's get to it. HDMI cable, screws for the base, little back clip or something, drivers, power brick. In here so we can hear it. Ultra-wide monitor, 25-inch ultra-wide. I like it. Alright guys, so this is the LG 25UM58-P. It's 25-inch ultra-wide display. It's an IPS display. Alright, let's look at the back. So on the back we have our DC in. We have actually a headphone jack, which this is actually like a, you can actually control the volume through the monitor. And then you have the HDMI in 1, HDMI in 2, so you have a spot for 2 inputs using HDMI, your audio in, or out I should say, and then your DC power. It does have a spot for a vase mount, or vase mount, however you pronounce that. There is no height adjustment here. You can only, the only adjustment you can make is leaning it forward and backward. And there's not a whole lot of adjustment there. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with LGs, if you can see this down here, this is actually the button for power, turn it on and off. If you go to the right, that's for your volume. To the left, that's volume down. Volume to the right is up. And then tapping this will also give you your display, so you can go into your menu settings and stuff like that. All in all, it's actually a really nice monitor. I love how it's set up. Let's go ahead and get that set over. I'm gonna get that set up on the desk, hook it all up and stuff, and then I'll show you guys some of the menu. So here's my 13-inch MacBook Pro up next to the monitor. As you can see, it's not a lot taller than my MacBook Pro, but it is a lot wider. I mean, you can put almost two 13-inch MacBook Pros side by side in front of it. You got the little nub down here, whatever you want to call it. So if we just click on that, that'll give us our menu options. So we can go into like our menu over here, you know, for like your picture settings. They got quick settings, so you can set your brightness, stuff like that. Volume. Now it does say volume. This monitor does not have any built-in speakers. When I was looking at this on Amazon, it never said that it had built-in speakers. It does have a volume control, but this is so if you hook speakers to the monitor, because of it being HDMI, there's still audio input going into the monitor. It's just not being released in any way from the monitor itself. So I've got these speakers that I've got hooked up here. I'm not going to go too much into detail about these right now. I will review these later. This is a review that's coming soon. And so like when you are listening to music, I don't know if I have anything offhand that I can... here we go, got them. You can't actually adjust the volume from your MacBook Pro. You actually have to adjust it from the monitor if you have speakers hooked into the monitor. Okay. So if we hit up the volume, so you can see we actually have volume control on the monitor itself just by going to the right, which volume's up, to the left, volume's down. And then you have adjustments. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the review of this 25-inch monitor ultra-wide. For me, I actually like the 21:9 aspect ratio of this monitor. And especially since I'm using my 13-inch MacBook Pro, I actually kind of wanted a monitor that was going to be about the same height as my MacBook Pro screen. I had been alright to like upgrade to like the 29-inch or even go as high as like the 35-inch ultra-wide, which would have been awesome. But the price of this monitor, I couldn't pass the price. I couldn't pass it up for the price. It was only $169 off Amazon, and I'll put a link below for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Maybe I can lean some people towards some of these ultra-wide monitors. They're actually really awesome. It's essentially like having two monitors next to each other, but in one form factor, which is excellent. It's awesome. And with the speakers hooked up to it, being able to adjust the volume from there. And like I said, I'll do a review later of those speakers. They're actually pretty nice, really sweet looking, and I'll kind of go through some of that as well in an upcoming video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's pretty much it for me. So if you guys liked the video, give it a little thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button, and also if you hit that little notification icon, it'll let you know when I post new videos. And that's pretty much it for me, so peace.